Alright, y'all. Mini Draco. First time owning the Draco. Sheen knew she pre-owned it. We'll let the shot go. For 7 days I've been at it always. Just in that change, but my past chasing me. Me, I know Mini Draco. Yeah. I shot it 5 times.